When you leave, I'm begging you not to go. Call your name 2-3 times in a row. Such a funny thing for me to try to explain. How I'm feeling in my pride is the one to blame.
Seo í trína ó scoil Damhsa Cuaille Pole Vision in Eura. Ní hamháin go múin trína Damhsa Cuaille ach bíonn síos an iomaíocht sa sport fud na tíre. Inis ó tharla Damhsa Cuaille ina sport Oilimpeach, chas Micheál Ó ina studio i Loch Garman chun ólas a chur an Damhsa ná an sport seo méhéin agus tuairt faoi chuaigh cín duna bon ghluaiseachtaí a bheith sibse in an rial sa mala. Well, Béidir. So Trina Murphy, instructor here in the Pole Vision School of Dancing in Gorey, County Wexford. First of all, I'm excited to be here because it's something I haven't done before, but can you tell us a bit about pole dancing and its origins?
I would say it originated from strip clubs. We have a lot to thank social media for, because I think people have seen the pure athleticism that is involved in pole, and there's also so many forms now of pole. So there is the sensual, sexual side of pole, but there also is sport, fitness, dance, you name it, art. And I think that has made it like a little bit more legitimate in people's eyes. We actually literally have all types of people here, all sizes, all ages, all weights, all types of people.
You not to go, call your name 2-3 times in a row. Such a funny thing for me to try to explain. How